The Easter Bunny came.
I'm a complete beginner looking to improve my palate and learn more about bourbon, so come along with me.
In addition to church and Easter dinner and all the other things that normally happen on Easter, at our house the Bourbon Bunny came by and did an Easter egg hunt out in the front yard, and it was very exciting. And I got a chocolate Easter Bourbon Bunny. So let's go ahead and unwrap him. Usually eat the ears first, but I don't think I'm going to eat these ears. I think I'm going to unwrap this thing and see what it is. First, and my chocolate Easter Bourbon Bunny. Looks like he's a bottle of Bib & Tucker 6-year. So, not bad. Frankly, a lot better than chocolate. Alright, now let's see what these Easter eggs. Got all these Easter eggs that I found out in the yard that were mysteriously there this morning. And just see what's in them. It doesn't feel like chocolate. They feel a little heavier than that. Let's go ahead and open them up. This guy. Oh. Look at that. That's some Balcones Texas bourbon. That's a pretty good Easter egg. How about this one? Oh yeah, good old Maker's Mark. That's delicious. Alright, let's see what Easter surprise is in this one. Oop, a Whistle Pig 6-year. So that's pretty neat. Okay, got a little pink one here. Ooh. And inside is Bullet bourbon. I haven't tried that yet, so looking forward to trying that. Alright. This one is just Jim Beam white label. Not bad. Okay. And this is, ooh, Four Roses small batch. That's pretty good. And these two golden eggs. What's in the golden eggs? Oh, a little mini Willet pot still. So that's pretty good. And this other one, let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's a twofer. Devil's River coffee and Devil's River bourbon. This, I haven't tried this, and I surely haven't tried this coffee bourbon, so we'll try that. Alright, so the Bourbon Bunny brought me a really good haul. A bunch of these little minis. And some of them I haven't tried yet, like the Whistle Pig and the Bullet. Of course, you know, Maker's Mark, have that. Jim Beam, haven't ever tried these Devil's River. I've had Four Roses, but not the small batch, so that's going to be kind of interesting. And I have had Willet Pot Still and have that. This Balcones, I do have some Balcones Blue, but I don't have any of the red. So instead of doing a bourbon for an entire week like I've been doing, because it's Easter, I'm just going to go ahead and splurge and start eating my Easter candy. So let's go ahead and start out, and we will try this Balcones Red. Someone actually asked me to try Balcones, and I'll try the red. How about that? And I will drink some of these minis over the course of the week, and then come back and say which one was my favorite. So let's go ahead and pour this guy in. And these are a great way to sample a bourbon without spending a lot of money, they're only a few dollars. They're like, a buck, two, three, or four. I think the most expensive was maybe like the Four Roses or the Willet Pot Still. But they're really beautiful little bottles too. You can start like a little mini collection on a mini shelf. So let's go ahead and try this. It's got a really good dark color. And this is a Texas bourbon. And kind of sweetness. Mmm. Kind of a honey taste. Then a little bit of a bite, but then a real smooth finish after that. Just a little honey, a little bite on the tongue, and then smooth finish. Oh yeah. Let's try them over ice. And hope that you're having a really good Easter. This was just a little fun thing to do in addition to everything else that we do on Easter. But it's kind of just a little surprise. Oh, that's good. So if you'd like to do something like this, get some minis and try them out. Something you haven't tried before. Like I said, they're anything from $1 to, I think the most you could spend on a mini is maybe $4 or $5 for some of these. But kind of expand your palate, try some different things, and then maybe next week we'll go back and I'll open up this Bibb and Tucker maybe and drink him over the course of the week. So have a great Easter, and thanks very much for watching. And drink responsibly, and in the meantime, enjoy.